Welcome to Health and Fitness with a new video. Got an oily face? If yes, chances are you've been battling acne and blackheads for years. Well, for what it's worth, you're not alone. These skin disorders affect a whole lot of people, men and women alike. But I've got great news for you. You can actually use an all-natural face mask to get rid of excess oil on your face and eventually clear out acne and blackheads. In fact, the treatment can help shrink pores and whiten your skin much quicker than you expected. As you probably guessed, tomatoes are the key ingredient here, and of course, its lycopene content works to declog your pores and ward off bacteria that causes pimples. As with other natural home remedies, consistency is key to seeing great results. So yes, you only have to keep applying and anticipating. Trust us, your pores will be super glad you did. What you need: 1/2 sliced tomato, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon besan flour. Procedure: put slices of tomato in a blender and blend until pulpy. You can also choose to use a mortar and pestle to mash up the tomato into a pulp. Now transfer freshly pulped tomato into a container and add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Add gram flour for a paste-like consistency. Just so you know, this process isn't compulsory. So yes, you can skip if the flour is not available. Now just apply the mixture to your face and neck. And of course, leave to sit for some time, 15 to 20 minutes tops. Finally, rinse with warm water and follow with a splash of cold water to close the pores. And that's it. Now you're all set to battle blackheads and acne. Remember, consistency is key to seeing amazing results. Good luck! You tried ever tomato on your skin? Comment below and let us know your reviews for this home remedy. If you like our videos, then please hit the like button. Do subscribe to our channel. And share our video to your friends.